Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change keyboard language in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, go to typing interface and see here. English language is available. If you want to use other language, you cannot use as of now. You have to add the particular language that you would like to use. Okay, for that what you have to do is go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings, then go to additional settings. Go to additional settings and click on keyboard and input method, and here select manage keyboards, and here click on Gboard and click on languages, and here click on add keyboard. Here select any other language. I select Tamil and click on done. Tamil keyboard is now added to your English keyboard. Okay, and click on add keyboard again and select another keyboard. Okay, so here I am selecting this keyboard. Okay, and click on done. In this way you can add more language. Okay, so now I am adding this language, Konkani, and click on done. So these are all the languages that I have added. Okay, now to apply this language through keyboard, go to the typing interface and see here. By default English language is available. If you want to use other language, just click on this global symbol, and now Tamil language is available. You can type in Tamil now. See here, I typed in Tamil. Okay, if you again click on this global symbol, another language will appear. Okay, see here, Malayalam is now available. Okay, you can type in Malayalam. Okay, if you again click on this global symbol, you can go to another language. So this is Konkani language. So in this way you can easily access the added language. Okay, so you can change a different language for your keyboard. Okay, what you have to do is just you have to add particular keyboard, and then you can use that added keyboard through this global symbol. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.